So basically you're seeing that we are having a lot of things on initialization. We might need to have some initial loading state. So I'm just like, we are not focusing on a UiPath right now, but since we have come across this, I just want to mention it. So here, like the tricky thing is that you can use this run app multiple times. Maybe you can start, like we want to start an app with initial loading because the Firebase, currently we are initiating Firebase, it's done very quickly. Then there would be a shared preference and there would be some another library which we are using. So most of the initialization of those library happen here. It might be possible that once your app started to grow, you might to show some loading state here that, okay, this app is loading or some kind of a splash screen. So most of the issue happen here is that how do we do that? Because there are a lot of dependencies coming here and I don't know what to showcase. So one of the easy trick here is that you can use run app multiple times. So what you can do is here, you can just run app. Basically, you can load your flash screen here. For example, whatever you're trying to load, or there's a loading progress, and then you run this, and then it will load your app. It will be a good user experience when the app is starting. You can just showcase your app with just a splash screen, and then you can run that. This is one way of showing the initial state of app startup.